So, after the first part of human reproduction, the second part begins with the fertilization. Fertilization means union of male and female gametes is called fertilization. So the male gamete is sperm in case of human beings. The heads of the sperms, before they get released into the spermial cavity, the heads are engulfed by the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the developing sperms, and the sperms get released from the Sertoli cells. This kind of release of sperms into a cavity called spermiation. And these sperms, along with the seminal fluid, together constitute semen. Semen chemically consists of fructose, calcium, and then this seminal fluid or semen consists of sperms. In case of human beings, about 200 to 300 millions of sperms are produced, and these sperms in the seminal fluid during insemination enters through vagina, and then all these sperms and they start moving towards the ovum or the egg, and the egg consists of three layers. The outer layer, corona radiata, cellular, and next to this zona pellucida, non-cellular. This is very important. So it is important. NEET goskara non-cellular, zona pellucida. Next, vitelline membrane. This explanation alkotilla diagram ali perivitelline space anta kottidare. Perivitelline space adukoskara vitelline membrane irutte, and space between the zona pellucida and the vitelline membrane called perivitelline space anta correct. And then when the sperm meets with the ovum, acrosome of the sperm bursts open to release hyaluronidase enzyme or zona lysine. Zona lysine dissolves the wall of zona pellucida, and the sperm penetrates into the secondary oocyte. In case of human beings, not the ovum. Secondary oocyte develops into ovum after the penetration of sperm into ovum, and the nucleus of the male nucleus, that is the male gamete, fuses with the egg nucleus of the ovum, known as fertilization. So rapid divisions followed by fertilization called cleavage. In case of human beings, as soon as the zygote is formed, it splits to give 2-celled stage, then 4-celled stage, 8-celled stage, 8 to 16-celled stage. At this stage it is called morula, as it resembles the mulberry fruit. It is called morula. Morula undergoes further division, resulting in the formation of blastula or blastocyst. During this blastocyst stage, so practical blastocyst consists of the outer trophoblast, inner mass of cells, and reducing blastocytic cavity, receding blastocytic cavity. These are the parts associated with the blastocyst. Attachment of blastocyst to the wall of the uterus, that is the endometrium, the glandular layer, endometrium, is called implantation. So this blastocyst consists of trophoblast and inner mass of cells. Trophoblast later gives rise to extra embryonic membranes like amnion, allantois, chorionic villi, yolk sac, which is non-functional in case of human beings. And here, the chorionic villi of the trophoblast, it invades into the uterus uterine tissue, and this kind of chorionic villi and uterine tissue interlocked to give the structural and functional unit called placenta. Placenta establishes connection with the developing fetus and the maternal body through umbilical cord. Supply of oxygen, supply of nutrition, removal of waste products, offers protection and provides anchorage are the various functions of placenta. Placenta acts as endocrine gland and secretes hormones such as HCl, human chorionic, HCG, human chorionic gonadotropic hormone, and HPL, human placental lactogen hormone, along with the estrogen and progesterone. These are the 4 hormones secreted by the placenta. Thus, placenta acts as endocrine glands. And then the ovary secretes relaxin. And in the pregnant ladies, blood consists of almost about 7 hormones. Number 1 is HCG, human chorionic gonadotropic hormone, HPL, human placental lactogenic hormone, progesterone, estrogen, along with this prolactin, cortisol, thyroxine. As many as 7 hormones can be seen in the pregnant lady's blood. This is important. NEET 7 hormones. Miss Madi, adana keltare. So adikoskara idunu chennagi odkobeku. And then the inner mass of cells develop into stem cells, and these stem cells give rise to different layers such as outer ectoderm, inner endoderm, and middle mesoderm, and then the further development of organs takes place. The development of a fetus during the first month, heartbeat is developed. Heartbeat is developed in case of the human being's fetus. Heartbeat is also produced. And then in the second month, digits appear in the second month, along with limbs and the digits will appear in the second month. The third month is called first trimester, that is 12 weeks. At the end of the third month, external genitalia appears. Fourth month, not given, but movement of neck starts with the fourth month, and fifth month, head and hairs will appear. At the end of the second trimester, that is 24 weeks, at the end of 6 months, eyelids get separated, closed eyelids are present and they get separated, and eyelashes appear at the end of the 24 weeks, second trimester, that is the 6 months. Later, the fully developed fetus and the placenta and the signals for parturition originated from fully developed fetus and placenta. This is very important. And parturition is also induced by neuroendocrine mechanism. Nerves as well as some hormones play an important role. And it is the fully developed fetus and placenta starts signals for the FER, fetal ejection reflex. At the same time, oxytocin is produced during the parturition. It helps in the contraction and relaxation of the wall of the uterus. Thus, the baby delivery or the parturition takes place. That is about in detail the complete the human reproduction. Thank you.